Hello, and here's the walkthrough for lesson 1.2. We looked at our social media choices, and of course, this video doesn't include the data that we got in class. Instagram has always been popular. Twitter is, of course, called X. Snapchat has kind of lost some of its popularity. But the point is, we put that data into STApplet. We created a bar chart and a pie chart. So the thing about the bar chart is, since it's categories, there are spaces between the categories. And you see the x-axis is not numerical. It's not numbers. It's labels. The y-axis is numbers because it's frequency. That means how many people answered this or that. Now the pie chart, of course, always has to add up to 100%. And the angles have to correspond to what percentage of 360 degrees that category was. So the difference between the two is that the pie chart shows each application as part of the whole. So it's easy to see its contribution to the entire total. And so it's easier to estimate relative frequency. The bar chart really shows you the differences between them. So here are our notes. Bar charts have categories. There's spaces between the bars. Pie chart. And really, we want to use software to create the pie chart. Beware of deceptive graphs, pictographs. What are pictographs? They're when, instead of having bars, you substitute pictures. And when you increase the size of a picture, you're increasing it in two dimensions, the x dimension and the y dimension. And it gives you an inflated sense of how much bigger the big ones are compared to the small ones. And also, watch those scales means that your frequency should start at 0. Watch out for bar charts that start, 90% or at 9 or 10 or whatever. Okay, so have fun doing the application. We'll see you next time.